everyone, I'm Hailie Deegan, and today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be taking you all around Sun Outdoors location here in San Diego and experiencing the whole place and giving you guys my opinion on it. And for those of you that are new here, Sun Outdoors is a leader in outdoor hospitality and owns over 150 resorts across the US and Canada. They offer upscale camping and glamping accommodations, including RV sites, vacation rentals, and even some unique rentals like covered wagons, yurts, and Airstreams. Over the next few months, I'll be visiting a handful of their locations across the country, so be sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the future ones. But let's get back into it. We have to check out Sunny and Chelsea's cottage first.
Whoa!
So
No way.
what? They're badass. Yeah.
Dude, this is a shit. What? They got a Keurig? And they got my breakfast blend. The Green Mountain is actually the coffee I actually use. Look at this, look at this.
Our program.
It's comfy. They made these doors literally just for me because my shoulders fit right through them.
What we got over here? Oh, you got another patio?
What?
Oh yeah, yeah.
patios?
So this is the front patio. Oh, look at the little back patio. That's cute.
Nice little wind, little breeze going.
Got your Keurig with your coffee in the morning.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Nice little.
It's gonna be so good.
layer.
What?
Yeah. And you got a mini fridge.
Oh,
No
we
way.
gotta grill up for sure.
We have to.
Like carne
Yeah,
asada
this
or
is so
something.
Oh yeah. Oh for sure. Dude, this is sick.
We got the fire pit.
Full outside dinner table. Oh my gosh, it's
Let's
a spiral
go.
staircase up top.
Let's go.
So cool.
Look at that, dude. The sunset's gonna be freaking
Babe
sweet.
view. Let's check it out. But the staircase. I love a spiral staircase.
Oh!
Perfect for laying out.
Oh,
Ah,
Oh, sick! This is dope!
this is
They don't make these spiral staircases big enough. Oh yeah.
This is so nice. Look at that view. Ah, so cool. I could get used to this. When we got here, I checked out the activities list and I saw at 9 a.m. aqua aerobics. I've never done an aqua aerobics class, seen a lot of videos of it, but I had to experience it, so that's where we're headed.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna show you how the shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. My brand new car, my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. And the keys are inside. I'm gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
Not gonna lie, I thought that was gonna be pretty easy. Margaret kicked my ass. This place is pretty cool. You come over here, scan in. It's got a full gym, along obviously with the aqua aerobics classes, but super nice. We've been working out here in the mornings and stuff just because we love working out, and it's beautiful. The gym pretty much has everything that you need. It's pretty legit. They also have classes in the morning, but one of my favorite parts over here is the pool with the cabanas, full restaurant, also have a bar, hot tub. They have everything for like full families to come out here and everyone to have fun. The Sun Outdoors guys, before I came here, told me they have a special drink going on right now and that I had to try it out, so we're gonna give it a test. Just, could I get one walking on sunshine?
There you go, dear.
Hello, hello. I gotta give it a try. Oh, it's good.
You good?
It tastes like a kind of like a strawberry lemonade with a kick. I love strawberry lemonade. Try it.
Dude, that's really good.
Wow. It's like a cherry Slurpee.
So we came to this place for breakfast. It's called the Getaway Cafe, and we wanted to grab some dinner, but we also wanted to give you guys a food review, and we know how much you love them. We do them at the racetracks all the time, but we have an off weekend of racing, so we're gonna do it here. If you had to recommend one thing on the menu, what would it be?
Margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza? With the cauliflower crush. Let's do it. Send it. Perfect. Thank you. We even got some Parmesan. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Freshly cooked. It's a good sign. I don't even want to open it yet until we get back.
Go.
Oh, that's cute. Look how cute that is. Look how cute the little kids are.
I feel like we should take this to the rooftop and try it there.
I don't even want to open it till we get over there though, because like the moment I open it, like I want to be able to like first impression and then like try it. How cute that is. Look how cute that is. Okay, to the rooftop. It smells good. There's nothing like dinner on the rooftop overlooking San Diego and the beach. I love it. I love being in California. That's good. That's really good. It's like, even at the cauliflower crust, that's the first thing you look. Is the cauliflower crust soggy or is it crispy? Very crispy. Very good. It's amazing. It's really good. I would give it a 9.2. It's good. It's really good.
That's really good though. I don't know what's in the cheese, but
I think it's got mozzarella on it.
It's not a sauce. But it's definitely the cheese in it. The cheese is really good. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this margarita pizza on the beautiful rooftop and then go get some s'mores.
You gotta spin it. It's got evenly cooked. If not, it just burns one side of it. Because look at that. One side of your marshmallow, completely still cold. The other side, burnt. Marshmallows are one of my favorite things ever. That's like, what's that called? Like, you're like, that's like my comfort food is marshmallows. Because like usually, you know, you making hot chocolate, marshmallows with some hot chocolate, like the little marshmallows. I used to go in there and just grab a handful of them throughout the day. Well, we're gonna sit here for a little while, cook some more marshmallows. I could probably honestly eat the whole bag of them, but we had such a great time here and I'm so excited that we got to have like a fun, like just a fun laid back little vacation here in California. I love coming back to California and experiencing this whole place because I've been here once before for the sit down campfire combos I did for Sun Outdoors, but being able to come here and experience the whole place and all the amenities and all the activities, it was a blast. Like, I loved it so much. So super fun trip. And if you guys are ever in the area, they do have a bunch of locations throughout the United States. You'll have to check it out because it's so worth it. There's so much for as a whole family to come here and experience. Like if these places were around when I was little, I would have loved to come here. So be sure you guys check it out. Go to a location near you if you want to travel to a location, and hopefully we'll see you soon.